Hi guys, today I will show you how to make bootable USB. Let's get started. Open your browser. Search for Rufus. Click on first link. Now choose Rufus software version and click on it. After the downloading, open file location. Double-click on Rufus or right-click and open. Insert USB. There is your USB. Now click on Select and find your ISO file. How to download ISO file, link in description and I button. Now don't touch anywhere. You can change your USB volume label. Then click on Start. This process takes 10 to 15 minutes. Now click on Close. That's it. Now ready your bootable USB. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.